How to fix sounds not available on Instagram Reels videos after download. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever downloaded a reel from Instagram only to find that the sound is no longer available? If that sounds familiar, today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix that issue on Instagram Reels after downloading it. So let's just get into it. So if you have downloaded a reel and when you try to play it, the sound is either missing or doesn't play, this issue usually happens because Instagram often removes or restricts the use of an audio from download content, especially when it's saved directly to your phone. So what you can do is, first of all, let's make sure we have saved the audio before downloading the video. That is one of the easiest ways to ensure that the sound works after you have saved the reel. So how can we save the audio in Instagram? First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram, and once you're logged in, you're going to find the reel and tap on the audio that you like. So for example, this reel right here, let me just go ahead and look out for this reel, and you're going to look out for the sound. And what you're going to do is simply save the sound or bookmark it. You can find this section of bookmark, and you're going to bookmark it for later use. Once you've saved the audio, you can go ahead and download the reel if it is available, and you can use the saved audio in your reels, or sometimes the audio will automatically be available when you try to play the video. Otherwise, if that is not the issue, the other issue may be your video downloader. So if you're using any kind of video downloader app, that may be the issue. So try using a different one, a reliable video downloader app that supports audio downloads as well. So you can go ahead and tap on, look out for those kind of applications. For example, Reels Video Downloader or InstaSave, to ensure that both the video and audio are downloaded together. Sometimes the issue could be with your Instagram settings as well. So make sure your app is updated to the latest version. So you can go ahead and look up for the updates for your Instagram if any kind of update is available at the moment. So just go ahead and look out for those kind of updates. For example, this one right here. And then make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid bugs or glitches with sounds and video downloads. And that is it. These are the solutions to you can apply to fix the sound not available issue after downloading Instagram Reels. So try out the steps, and I'm sure you will be able to get the sound back. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and fixes. And if you have got any questions or need further help, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.